What resin do I need to cast resin jewelry? Resin casting enables you to produce almost any plastic object, by simply casting the resin into a silicone mold. It is exciting to watch the transition of the resin, from a liquid to a hard solid plastic, in only a few short minutes. The three main types of casting resin: polyester, polyurethane, epoxy. Polyester resin has been the standby resin for many years, but is being replaced for most uses by the new quick-set, easy-to-measure and use polyurethane resin and the non-toxic, non-smelly epoxy resin. Polyester resin comes in two basic forms, a clear casting resin and a laminating resin, which you will find in the fiberglass section. It is the most economic resin available, and is particularly suitable for large casts and embedding. There is also a very wide range of transparent and opaque pigments and dyes, available for use with polyester resin. However, for health reasons, due to the fact that styrene has an objectionable odor, it can only be used in well-ventilated areas. This is causing it to lose popularity. It should be noted that once cured, the cast pieces have little if any odor. Polyurethane resins are the new exciting quick-set resins, that are now very popular casting resins, for craft and uses such as jewelry. These resins are non-toxic and have little odor. They come in 1:1 easy mix by volume or weight, Part A and Part B formulations. This makes them very easy to handle. They are available as a white and a water-clear resin. The white sets up in 3 minutes and can be demolded in 10 minutes. Epoxy resin is the popular replacement for polyester resin. It has a low odor and comes as a clear casting resin, with a usual mixing ratio of Part A 2 parts, Part B 1 part. Epoxy resins have a better strength-to-weight ratio than most polyesters, and also have good powers of adhesion. Many of the epoxy resins have a greater heat resistance, are harder and shrink less than polyester. We recommend Aldax Crystal Cast Clear as a good general-purpose resin. For further information, go to www.aldax.com.au.